Well, good morning. Here we are in Harrogate, and today we've been called to this property to clean both the front patio, which is of Indian sandstone, and there's also a backyard which is concrete. The front patio was only laid a couple of years ago, but it's starting to show those early signs of getting green algae, and there's actually some black staining on the mortar joints as well. So it's a good time to clean it up so it looks its best. And here we've got the backyard, surfaced with concrete, and as we can see, quite typical really. Pretty green algae. Dirty, the walls there got a bit of moss growing on them. Some of these shady areas here really attracting green algae. Dark corners. Fairly small area, won't take too long to do, and it'll come up looking great. Well, I've just given the backyard a rinse off and it's looking a lot cleaner now than it was. But still, after we've cleaned it, there's quite a lot of organic staining. That's what these dark areas here, black lichen, green lichen. So I'm going to put some deep clean chemical foam down now, and that will just dissolve those stains away. Well, we're around the front now. Indian sandstone. Unfortunately, the pointing is a little bit broken in places, so gonna have to be careful not to create any damage. I'm going to use the flat surface cleaner because that will have the effect of cleaning the flags, but without applying too much pressure to the pointing. We'll start by using the turbo lance on the edges and then work our way inwards. Well, there we go, rinsed off, looking absolutely fantastic. If you've enjoyed watching the video today, please like and subscribe. And looking ahead to the springtime, that's a really busy time for me doing decking. So if your decking is looking green, slippery, frankly if it's looking a mess, just give me an early call to get booked in, because the spring is going to be a really busy time for that.